We're now going to learn about the categorical data type. This is a pandas only data type that is not a default data type. So whenever you read in a CSV using the read CSV function, you'll have to convert columns to this categorical data type if you want to use it. So when do you want to use it? Well, it's important to convert your columns to categorical whenever a column of data has known, limited, and discrete values. There's lots of benefits for using a categorical data type that you're going to learn about. So this is often the case for strings, and I'm going to show you some example in this employee data set. Let's read in this data set, and as you know by now, all of the string columns will be object by default, so not categorical. But if you do have a column that has known, limited, and discrete values, such as the department column, then you might want to convert it to categorical. So let's go ahead and choose the department column and assign it to a variable, a series like this. And if we do dot value counts, this will give you a good idea of whether or not you should convert it to categorical. If you have a limited number of unique values over here, which we do, and they will repeat if they are limited. If they are known, that means we're not likely to get new departments into the data set, so that's probably the case. They're discrete. This just means there's no partial values, there's no like partial police department or partial fire department like there are with numbers. Then you have a good candidate for using the categorical. So that's what we're going to do right now, is to convert, and we will save it to department cat. So the way you convert is with as type, as always, and you're going to put in here the string category, and that will convert it to a categorical data set. And let's look at dot head. Now the values will remain the same, and you'll get this a bunch of stuff over here. So these are the unique categories. This is not part of the series. This is just part of the output. This is the visual display of a categorical series. So once you've made this conversion, you might be a little surprised by this. It will show several of the categories down here. It actually tells you how many there are. So there are 9 distinct categories. And here is the data type right here. So if you do department cat.dtype, you'll get, it doesn't say the word category, it says categorical D type. So this is the formal data type. This is similar to whenever you have a nullable integer. So you can use the string int64 with capital I to make the conversion, but the formal data type will still be int64 D type. So let me just show that real quick. So I'll do this by hand. So we've covered this before, but call this S, and if I do s.dtype, it does say int64 dtype like this. So same thing over here, categorical dtype like this, and then just list out this is just the visual display of the data type over there. Okay, so that's how you make the conversion. In the following videos, we're going to see a lot of features that come with having a categorical variable like this.